CTHA has been a symbol of excellence in property management for over 2 decades. From luxury homes to boutique hotels to budget apartments, we've mastered the art of handling properties across the spectrum. As a trusted supplier of Cape Town holiday properties and Airbnb short-term to long-term property management listings since 2002, we've carved a unique niche in the market. CTHA encompassing 3 distinct brands in these areas: property management, real estate, and rentals, from short to long term. Offering flexibility, efficiency, and one-stop shop convenience. We are a family-run business, dedicated to providing exceptional service, ensuring our guests, clients, and landlords are always informed, updated, and treated with the highest level of care. Our comprehensive management packages cover everything from marketing, advertising, property maintenance, laundry, and including cleaning. For over 21 years, we've been nurturing relationships and earning trust in Cape Town. Launching an estate agency was a natural progression in our evolution. Whether you're looking to purchase your future property, rent a home, or even have a short stay holiday, we are here to meet all your property needs. Choose CTHA and experience a range of services unrivaled by anyone else. From short-term to long-term rentals, marketing, operations, sales, and even a suite of concierge services. As John Stuart Mill once said, landlords grow rich in their sleep. Let us manage your property while you enjoy the rewards. Experience the CTHA difference. Contact us today or visit our websites for more information.